Do you mess your budget up all the time? Are you sticking to your budget? Is it like not easy as it appears to be watching the community? We are going to try this budgeting thing again. For the, I can't even count what number we on, but today I am going to be looking at my expenses. Although I've settled them already, we are going to be doing my cash stuffing of $800 today. You guys, this week alone, and I'm going to take it week by week, I am going to definitely try and adhere to my budget. Like, yeah, I hope I don't make it look easy for anyone, because it is definitely not. And if you follow me and you watch my videos, you know that I have a hard time, one way or another, sticking to my budget. And, I'm one of those people who potentially could be irresponsible with money. I mean, it's that hard conversation that maybe I'm not as responsible as I think. So we're going to get over to this cash stuffing. We are going to see how I allotted my money this week. I'm going to be stuffing $800 between my wallet, which is my cash envelope wallet. I am going to be using the ZIPPY Lux this week. And I am going to be putting, I want to say 420 into my wallet and about 380 between my sinking funds that are considered a priority to me for this pay period and the upcoming week. So I'll explain to you as I'm doing my cash stuff and how I normally do that. But let's get to it. I'm excited, but I'm tired of failing. I'm not giving up though. I'm not giving up. Okay, you guys, that's enough. Let's jump right into this cash stuffing. Hey, so we are back. We are going to stuff $800 today. I'm slightly off. It says $760. I added $40 more so that I could do my savings challenges. I'm going to do 2 savings challenges this week, because although I set my budget for June and I only want to stick to that budget for the amount of money I contribute to my envelopes, I'm going to try and cut back on my spending without using cash. It doesn't even matter. I want to cut back on my spending. So first thing I'm going to do is start off by going through. I'm using the ZIPPY Lux wallet. This is the Budget Buddy Edition color. So this one wasn't produced in my shop, but I do have in the shop the Blast, the Lavy Pink, the Bronze, and the Almond color. I do have one special color coming, but it won't be here until July. I'm sold out of the Bronze, but I did place another order, so that will come in July as well. So right now I have a very limited quantity of Almond. And I also have Lavy Pink and Blast, which is the orange and the purplish pink. So the first thing I'm going to do is go through my wallet and see how much money I have left over. So in me money, I have 50, 100, 120, 130, 140, 141. I am just going to write 141 right here. That allows me to know how much I have left over. I am going to keep that money in me money. Dining out, I have $25. So I am going to roll over that $25 to buffer. So what is today? 6/10. I'm going to buffer and I'm going to minus 25 and bring that to 0. I'm just going to sit that money right there. Car maintenance has nothing. Gas is a sinking fund. I keep a balance. So in gas, we have 100, 110, 120, 125, 26, 27, 28. We have $128 in gas. And my tank can take anywhere from, I want to say 75 on up to fill up. So groceries has nothing. Household has nothing. Giving is a sinking fund. In giving, we have 10, 20, 30, 35. I'm missing $5. So I have $35. And I'm just going to put giving here because I don't have that written down, but I have $35 in giving. And that money is going to stay in there, but I don't know. I think I gave a tip. So I have $35 in giving. And buffer currently has $10. And that was left over from before. So I'm adding 25. So we're going to have 35. So I'm adding 25 to make that 35. And this is from Dine Out. And that was 610. Okay. All right. So now we're going to go back through and we're going to stuff my wallet for my variable weekly spending. Me money is going to get $75. So that's a 50, a 20, and a 5. I can use me money for whatever I want. I can spend it on groceries, dining out, you name it. I can spend it on whatever I want. So we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, 210, 215, 216. So I have $216 and I added 75 and this was a deposit and that's 610. Okay. So, and I am going to be cut back on my spending, but the money is there. Dining out is going to get $60, which is a 50 and a 10. And I don't want to go over on my budget for dining out this week because, like I said, I want to stick to my allotted amounts. So I'm pretty much know that that's going to be spent. Car maintenance is going to get its usual $10, and that's for tips at the car wash. Nothing major about that. Here lately, instead of going through the car wash I normally go through, I've been going through a self-service one for $10. So it's the same. But if I'm going to continue to use that one for $10, I don't know. Because I pay $45 a month for unlimited washes, which means I can go every day. So, and I allot the tips for, I allot the $10 to give a tip every week, every time I go. So I am technically spending $85 a month on car washes, which equates to, wow, a lot of gear. So I need to sit back and reconsider that. Gas is going to get $25. And gas is a sinking fund. So let's see what we have in gas. Oh my goodness. We have 100, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150, 51, 52, 53. So $153 and I added 25. And yeah, I recently got gas. So like I said, when I fill up my tank, it could be $70 and up. So that's technically not a lot, but I go over a week because I work from home. So I don't use gas as quickly as I normally would if I had to commute back and forth to work. Groceries is going to get $200. Now, part of me wants to, I plan on cutting back on groceries because I am going to begin meal prepping this week and make a couple meals. And now that it's the summer, the kids are going to be out of the house a lot more. So it's only really, it's not going to be a lot. So 50, 100, 150, 200 for groceries. Oh, I had to start a new tracker for groceries because it was full. So plus 200 and that's $200. Alrighty. So household items. Household is going to get $50. So that's going to be a $50 bill. And I do need paper towels, paper plates. And in the summer, I like to utilize a little bit more disposable products because it's just easier. I feel like everyone's eating more and drinking more in the summer. So it's just easier to use paper products. Giving is not going to get anything. And as I stated, buffer is full. So I have put, I believe, $420 into my wallet. So there we are. Now we're going to go over to car insurance. So car insurance is going to get $20. And I pay my car insurance every 6 months and it's like $850. So I am just trying to get prepared to pay this for my next premium. So I'm adding 20 and that's going to be 220. Let's count and make sure. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 220. Absolutely. Okay, not bad there. And let's see what else is in this envelope. We have travel is not in here. We have Jenna. Okay. So Jenna, I did make her a vet appointment. She has an appointment on Thursday, as a matter of fact. Jenna is $40. So I'm going to take 220s and add that in. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 200, 210, 215, 220, 225, 230, 235, 236. So plus 40, and that's 236. And this should cover her vet appointment. I usually always have money to cover her vet appointments. So that's a good thing. So 236 will cover that and any maintenance. I got to start sprucing Jenna up and having, I want to have at least $1,000 in Jin's envelope. So we did car. Let's see. Let's do travel. I am preparing for travel, so I'm going to start trying to spruce this up. Travel, I am going to give $100 to. So we now have 130 in travel. Small travels here and there. I need to really, really focus on my sinking funds. You know, the reason why my sinking funds don't build like they need to is because I spend. So I am working on that, you guys. I've been complaining about that a lot lately, so I am going to work on that. Selfie. So let's get selfie going. Okay, so selfie is going to get $150. And I do have a hair appointment coming up, I want to say next week. So $150 is being added to my self-care envelope. I do need a manicure and a pedicure. I will stuff that accordingly. Let's see. So I did car maintenance, Jenna. I did not do lawn care, but I got to go back to that and travel. And I definitely have to build up on my lawn care because they come, I can't even clock it. I don't know. But I haven't had my cleaning service out lately, and I do need them to come. So lawn care is going to get $10. I don't have a sinking fund for lawn care yet. I mean, an expense tracker, so I'll just put lawn care in there. That's $10. And what am I missing? Oh, life insurance for the children. So life insurance for the children, their premium is annually and it's $860. So I am just working my way having that for next year. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 161, 80, 190, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20. $220. Not bad, not bad. So I definitely will be prepared for this envelope. I believe it's due the beginning of March. So God willing, I will get that where it needs to be. And let's see what we have left. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We have $40 left. $40, okay. So you guys, I am going to be doing my monthly savings challenge, and I'm going to stop saying I'm not successful. I am not hitting the goals, but I am contributing. So let's go all the way to June. And let's see. May, June. Okay. So, and did you guys know that these are erasable? If you use Sharpie and then take some alcohol, you can wipe it right off. So I designed these paper products so that you could reuse them over and over. Just make sure, I didn't try them with other markers. Just make sure, let's see, just make sure that you are using Sharpies. That's the only thing I can tell you. I don't know if it works on anything else. I'm about to take a piece of tissue and wipe that off. But if you want to try it with something else, you can. But I don't like to waste stuff. I love you to be able to get the most out of my products. So there you have it. You saw it here. Okay, so I have $40. Each snow ice cream cone is $5. So I'm going to do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I'm going to do 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. If I can't complete this challenge, it's only $5 a cone. So like, I gotta complete this one. July is going to be difficult because each star is $30. I don't know why, but I like to challenge myself. If I focus and not spend, then yes, I can do it. So I was able to so far do 30. I am almost there, you guys. Okay. So that is it for my monthly savings challenge. So my 52-week $10 savings plan, I am going to contribute $10 here. And let's see. Now these coincide with the back of the book. So Let's go to the back of the book and let's see. So in the back of my payday budget book, you have the 52-week $10, $25, $50, and the $100. You see? So if you don't have the book and you just want these, it works perfectly because the totals are in on each one. If you don't have these and you just have the book, you can use a plain white envelope and still get that accomplished. So I am going to be at week 21. I'm going to put $10. And I'm doing good. I think I will have this challenge completed by the end of the year. I'm not going to say that I'll have all challenges completed by the end of the year, but I will have some of them. I'll have some of them done. But do what you can. It's not about the completion. It's just about the consistency and just making sure that you are doing something, saving something, you know. It's based on your budget. So you do what you can when you can. You don't have to do this weekly. You can do them monthly. You know, you do them whenever you can. So I was able to stuff $800 today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.